Alright, here we are. Here's our 94 Cadillac. We've had it for, shoot, I don't know, way too long. Year and a half or so. Used to run pretty good at times and crappy most of the time. Now, it just runs crappy. We were thinking maybe catalytic converter, so we started taking that off yesterday, and we wound up taking the whole exhaust system off. So now Ben wants to he wants to start this thing up with no exhaust system on it at all. There's just headers coming off the engine, and it's separated right before the catalytic converter. So Ben insists on getting a little video of the noise. Alright, but don't leave it running too long. This thing is, you know, it's not doing the engine any good, you know. So go ahead and do your thing, young man. When this thing runs, it runs great. 300 horses. But, man, it just, I don't know, can't figure out what it is. Obviously, it wasn't the catalytic converter. Oh well. Never give up, never give up. Sorry, my friend. Okay, come on. Sorry, my young friend.